Excuse me, can you help me?
Oh, sure. What's wrong?
I am lost. I need to find the post office.
The post office. Okay, it is on Elm Street.
Is it far from here? Can I walk?
No, it is quite far. You should take a bus.
Oh no, I need to send a gift to my family today.
Don't worry, taking the bus is easy.
But I am new here. I do not know which bus to take.
No problem. You can take the number 12 bus.
The number 12?
Yes, it stops right in front of the post office.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can wait here. I'm also waiting for a bus.
Thank you. My name is Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm David.
Are you a student, David?
No, I work at the hospital nearby. What about you?
I am a student. I just arrived last week.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. It is very different from my home.
Oh, look, the number 12 bus is coming now.
Wow, speak of the devil.
Yes, that is your bus.
Thank you again, David. You are very kind.
Have a good day, Maria.
Good morning, Anna. You don't look well.
Good morning, doctor. I feel terrible.
What is the matter?
I have a bad stomach ache. It started last month.
Last month? Why did you wait so long to come see me?
I don't know. I was busy. I hoped it would go away.
I see. A stomachache can be serious. We need to get to the bottom of this.
What do you mean?
We need to find the reason. Do you often skip breakfast?
Yes, sometimes, when I'm in a hurry for work.
And do you stay up late?
Yes, I often work on my computer late at night.
Anna, those are not good habits.
I know. I feel very tired today.
You need to change your lifestyle. You must eat breakfast.
Okay, I will try.
And you need to sleep more. Health is wealth, you know?
You are right.
I am going to give you some medicine for the pain.
Thank you, doctor.
Take this 2 times a day after you eat.
Okay, I will.
And please, come back next week if you do not feel better.
Thank you, doctor. I will.
Hello, can you help me?
Good morning, sir. Of course.
I want to buy a gift for my wife.
That's a good idea. What are you looking for?
I want to buy her a pair of shoes.
Okay, do you know her shoe size?
Let me see. I think she's a size 7.
A size 7. And what color does she like?
She usually wears black shoes.
Black, size 7. Please wait a moment. I have 2 pairs in that size. Take a look.
Oh, I like these ones. They look beautiful.
Yes, they are very popular this season.
I think my wife will love them.
I am sure she will. What happens if they do not fit her?
You can exchange them for another size.
Oh, good. You just need to keep the receipt.
I will take them. How much are they?
They are $40.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. I will put them in a bag for you.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Oh, excuse me. That box looks very heavy.
Yes, it is. These are new computers for the office.
Do you need a hand?
Oh, yes, please. That is very kind of you.
No problem. Where are you going?
To the sales department, room 205.
Okay, I can help you. I am going that way.
Thank you so much. My arms are tired. I am Mark. I work in accounting.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I am Linda.
Linda? I have not seen you before.
That is right. I am new. I just started last week.
Oh, I see. Well, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Everyone is very friendly here.
That's good to hear. Okay, here is room 205.
Great. You can put the box on that table.
Phew, it was heavy. You are right.
Do you need help with the other boxes?
No, thank you. This was the last one.
Okay. Well, I have to go back to work.
Thank you again, Mark.
You're welcome, Linda. See you later.
See you.
Good morning. I need some help.
Good morning. Of course. What can I do for you?
I am looking for a dress. I have a birthday party tonight.
Oh, how nice. What kind of dress do you have in mind?
I want a long red dress.
A long red dress. Okay. What about this one?
That is beautiful, but I do not like the long sleeves.
No problem. Do you like this one? It has no sleeves.
Oh, yes, that is lovely. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is right over there.
What do you think? It looks wonderful on you. I love it. It is just what I wanted. Is it a good fit? Yes, it is perfect. I will take it.
Great. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Credit card, please.
Okay, your total is $50.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and your dress.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the party tonight.